everyone, and welcome back to ImTechnos. In this video, we'll talk about prompt management in Amazon Bedrock with a hands-on demo. Think about the last time you contacted customer support. Maybe it was for your food delivery app, your internet connection, or your mobile phone service. Most of the time, your question is very simple, right? Something like, what's my order status? Reset my password, or report an issue with my internet connection. We all ask these questions very frequently. Now, even though it feels like you're just typing a message or clicking few options, behind the scenes, many companies are using AI models to handle these requests. However, they don't let the AI guess what to do every single time. Instead, they use fixed, predefined prompts for each common request. For example, check order status for an order ID, reset password for a user ID, or report connectivity issue for account number. So each of these is a clear instruction telling the AI exactly what it needs to do. These fixed prompts are pre-tested instructions. So when you ask about your order, the AI already knows how to respond, what information to fetch, and what tone to use. That's why the response feels consistent, fast, and correct every single time. And this is exactly the idea behind Amazon Bedrock prompt management. Organizations define and manage approved prompts so the AI always produces reliable and predictable outputs. Let's see with an example. A user opens an application and clicks on order status. Notice that the user is not typing a question or interacting with the AI directly. They are just selecting an option. This request first goes to the front-end application, which could be a web app, mobile app, or chatbot. The front end does not create prompts randomly. Instead, it sends a prompt request to Amazon Bedrock using a predefined, approved, and managed prompt. Inside Amazon Bedrock, prompt management selects the correct prompt and sends it to the AI trained foundation model. The model generates a response strictly within the rules of that prompt. Amazon Bedrock then sends the prompt response back to the application, and finally, the user sees a clean, human-friendly message such as, "Your package is out for delivery and will arrive today by 8 p.m." The key point here is that the user never sees the prompt, the AI never guesses, and everything is controlled through prompt management, which makes this approach secure, consistent, and suitable for production-grade AI applications. Now let's see how to create a prompt in Amazon Bedrock. I'm in the AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type Bedrock and select it from the results. Now from the overview page in Amazon Bedrock, look at the left navigation. Under Build, select Prompt Management. On the Prompt Management page, click Create a Prompt. I'll give this prompt a name like Order Status Prompt and add a short description like returns customer-friendly order status messages. This creates a new prompt, and you can think of it as a template that the application will reuse again and again. Once a prompt is created, we land in the prompt builder, which is what you are seeing on the screen now. At the top, we define the system instructions, where we tell the model that it is a customer support assistant and it should provide a clear and friendly order status update. And the response must be in one short sentence. These instructions control how the AI behaves every single time. Below that, in the user message section, we define dynamic values using variables such as order status and delivery time. These variables will be populated by the application at the runtime, while the prompt structure itself stays fixed and controlled. Then select the foundation model. In this case, choose the Nova Lite model under Amazon category, then click Apply. Keep the default inference settings, which are more than enough for simple customer support use case. At the bottom, we provide test values for the variables like order status as out for delivery and delivery time as 8 p.m. today. When we click Run, Amazon Bedrock executes the prompt and generates a response. As you can see, the output is clean, predictable, and customer-friendly. This confirms that the prompt is working exactly as expected. This is the key idea behind Amazon Bedrock prompt management. In real application, when a user clicks order status, the frontend simply calls this managed prompt using Amazon Bedrock API. The user never sees the prompt, the AI never guesses, everything stays controlled. Now moving on to the cleanup steps. Go to prompt management, select the prompt and click delete. Type confirm and complete the deletion. That's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.